Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best Bluetooth self-balancing hoverboards for kids that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Hoverstar all-new HS 2.0 hoverboard. If you are looking for an all-terrain hoverboard that won't burst into flames during high-speed rides, this one is worth checking out. It has a very sturdy design featuring a pair of LED-lit flashy wheels and bright front lights. It's equipped with an inbuilt Bluetooth speaker that pairs easily with your handset for some good entertainment experience. No need to carry your earphones along. The Hoverstar all-new HS 2.0 hoverboard can maintain a top speed of 10 mph for close to 10 miles. This Bluetooth self-balancing hoverboard for kids is powered by high-capacity 36 volts, 4A batteries. And lastly, this electric scooter can be used by both kids and adults. Moving on at number 4, we have the Wormhole off-road self-balancing hoverboard. Wormhole has dominated the hoverboard scenes for a while now. I guess it's because of the quality and superior performance of their scooters. This particular one has a pair of rugged all-terrain wheels powered by a high-performance 3D Wormhole hub motor. It is very lightweight, hence very portable. In fact, this Bluetooth hoverboard fits perfectly inside your kid's routine travel backpack. Its wheels are well illuminated for that flashy and colorful ride, thanks to the super bright LED lights. Wormhole Bluetooth self-balancing hoverboard for kids comes in a range of colors. Be sure to choose the kids' favorite color. For safety and security, this electric scooter is all 2272 certified. And for smooth rides even on pitch-dark nights, this self-balancing hoverboard features a set of bright LED headlights. It has an inbuilt self-balancing system and high-traction footpads for enhanced stability during rides. What's more, this scooter has an inbuilt Bluetooth speaker that easily connects with your handset for unmatched entertainment while on the ride. At number 3, we have the Felimota self-balancing hoverboard. If you are looking for a durable all 2272 certified electric scooter with a quality build, Felimota Bluetooth self-balancing hoverboards for kids are a good one. It comes with a set of bright LED headlights for safer rides in low-lit surroundings. Like most leading hoverboard brands, this one comes with an inbuilt Bluetooth speaker that easily pairs with compatible devices for quality sound effects. Felimota hoverboard is equipped with high-end self-balancing technology, making it suitable for beginners and experienced riders. At number 2, we have the Swagtron Swagboard Pro T1 self-balancing scooter. With an 8 miles per hour top speed and a range of up to 12 miles, the Swagtron Swagboard self-balancing scooter is designed for superior performance. It is compact and lightweight, perfectly suited to fit nicely inside your routine workout backpack. If you are concerned about the safety of your kid, this one won't disappoint. It is all 2272 certified and thus won't burst into flames during your routine neighborhood rides. Its superior stability is attributable to the dual-wheel design and a high-performance inbuilt gear stabilizer. The scooter uses a patented Swagtron Sentry Shield smart battery management system. This ensures optimal utilization of battery charge for the best ride experience. More than ever before, your kid will get a chance to enjoy longer, more fulfilling rides on a single charge. And finally at number 1, we have the Unisun 2-wheel self-balancing scooter. Safety and unmatched performance are guaranteed with Uni-Sun self-balancing hoverboard. With CE, RoHS, FCC, all 2272 certifications, this is one of the safest Bluetooth self-balancing hoverboards around. You want your little hero to roll around like a pro, and this scooter is all it takes. It comes with an inbuilt wireless speaker that readily connects with portable devices for the best entertainment experience. Its 6.5, flashing wheels have sturdy tires for excellent grip. The The hoverboard comes with a set of high-intensity LED headlights and sidelights for improved visibility during night rides. Uni-Sun hoverboards have a unique patented smart self-balancing system. The system makes the scooter ideal for beginners. It can also be used by experienced riders. Oh, and adults too. There are no complicated learning curves. For performance, this Bluetooth self-balancing hoverboard for kids is powered by dual 300W hub motors. Its quick-charging 36 volts, 2.0 Li-ion battery delivers the needed power. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.